Continually upgrading and updating to make the best RVs in the industry, that is what Heartland RV is all about. Founded nearly 20 years ago, Heartland RV prides itself in quality builds and customer service. Today, I'm going to go over some floor plans of the iconic conventional travel trailer line and the best-selling RV of all time, the Prowler. But before that, let's take a look into some of the amazing features really making a Heartland Prowler a good choice for your camping excursions. As you come into a Prowler interior, the first thing you may notice is there's space between your head and the ceiling. Even with the ducts, the Prowler has an 80-inch ceiling height. Ducts, not quack quack. Yes, I said ducts, a lot of them. A Prowler has a 13,500 BTU AC on blast with unmatched cooling performance due to more AC ducts to provide better air circulation. You can also get the optional 15,000 BTU AC if you feel the need for more coolness. The floor is all linoleum with the slide-out floors woven vinyl, so no carpet. This makes it easier for cleanup as well as provides a smoother surface for the in-floor heating ducts that'll keep your toes toasty on cool mornings courtesy of the auto ignition 30,000 BTU furnace with wall thermostat. Now let's take a look at the Prowler kitchen. You're going to get features you need, including a 10 cubic foot residential fridge, Duralast countertop, stainless steel double bowl undermounted sink with stainless steel pull-out faucet, flush mount 3-burner cooktop, oven, microwave oven with carousel, and some models also have a nifty spice rack. Since we're in this area, let's look at the living space. Right off the bat, you'll definitely see the gorgeous, oversized panoramic windows that can open up to create a sweet cross breeze. Every Prowler also includes a sleeper sofa, and some have the huge U-shaped dinette. Above your head, how about a nice skylight? Now, moving along, we have the master bedroom. It has a full-size residential queen bed with finished underbed storage. There's a full-length dual-mirrored wardrobe closet, USB charging ports, outlets, and CPAP storage. The USB charging ports are found in other places in the Prowler, such as the bunk rooms where applicable. This adds a little entertainment to go along with the tons of entertainment you'll find via the AM/FM HDMI entertainment system with Bluetooth capability and speakers, and the TV antenna with signal booster, plus cable TV hookup with coax cabling. The Prowler has a convenient systems monitor panel inside. That's going to help you regulate what's outside, like the adjustable power awning. And just like that, since I'm outside, let's see what the Prowler has to kind of fit your camp life. Well, to help keep your Prowler from rocking, you get power stabilizer jacks accessible via easy button setup. The tongue jack is manual, but you can opt for the power lighted tongue jack. Under the awning, there's a place for an exterior TV hookup plus a speaker. The Prowler makes it easy for you to store your camp gear as well as have easy access to it. Every Prowler has a mega bright pass-through storage with big access doors that's completely finished and has lights on both sides. Plus, it gets some warmth via the heated and enclosed underbelly. Other nice touches the Prowler exterior have are the easy-to-use triple entrance step, backup camera prep, and the convenient black tank flush. You can opt to have an outside shower and a spare tire with carrier. Now, what's more important than finding the exact features you want? How about getting an RV that's built to withstand the elements, to last over time? The Prowler is a conventional travel trailer with aluminum sides plus a Performer Structure aluminum front wall that's 60% thicker than most competitors. You'll find a diamond plate stone guard to protect the front as well. The chassis is built with a Cambridge structural I-beam frame, 5/8-inch Dynaspan floor decking, and wall studs on 16-inch centers. The roof is also fully walkable. Now, when it comes to floor plans, Heartland Prowlers, they run the gamut in weight and length, but overall, they average around 7,000 pounds in unloaded weight and about 34 feet in length. As such, odds are you'll need a full-size truck for towing, so just a heads up. But you should always check the towing capacities of your planned tow vehicle before any RV shopping. For you family camping-oriented folks, let's take a really good look into some Prowler bunkhouse models. The 271BR is very unique, as within its private bunk room is a wide pass-through storage door, and when the lower bunk is folded up, there's enough interior room to fit a kayak or maybe even two. The 271BR also has a large living area slide out and a private bedroom parked right behind the large entertainment center. The 271BR can easily sleep up to 8. The Prowler 303BH has a private bunk room with its own mini dinette and 3 twin bunks. A massive slide out holds the very large U-shaped dinette and sofa, and outside you'll find an outdoor kitchen. The 303BH has the ability to accommodate 9 snoozy campers. Another great bunkhouse floor plan is the 315BH. This model has a large private bunk room with double over double bunks, wardrobe storage, and its own half bath. The living area has a large slide out, and the kitchen has an L-shaped counter and a large walk-in pantry, or a Bob closet. The 315BH can sleep 8, plus has an outdoor kitchen with that handy griddle. There are a lot of Prowler floor plans designed for the camping couple. The popular 212RD has a large U-shaped dinette, a private bedroom with a solid sliding door, and a full-length pantry/wardrobe closet. Even though it's for a couple, the 212RD can easily sleep 4. The 240RB has the capacity to sleep 4 as well, has a nice-sized bathroom in the back. The kitchen has a very impressive amount of counter space, plus a nifty entry cabinet. The 256RL is all set up with a pair of recliners against the back wall, right by the entry, a massive living area slide out, and a kitchen with a wide counter. The bedroom has its own private entry from the exterior. The 265RL can easily sleep up to 5. Expansive floor plan collection and awesome features make looking into a Heartland Prowler conventional travel trailer a good idea for you and your campground-loving family. With all the Prowler amenities, that I'm sure you're going to find a Prowler that's going to fit your country prowling needs fairly easily at Camping World.